Good afternoon again, and welcome back to the video. This is the 10th part of or ninth part basically of in designing a web page. And this time we are going to add label to the forms that we have created earlier. Because if you remember, we have created a one-liner box or form from the last video, but this time we're going to add label onto that. So let me just share my screen real quick, and we can walk you through on how it's being done. If you can remember, this was the codes or documents that was used with HTML, and this was the web page that we have used, right? Now, in order to add label to that, let me just add a line break so that these will actually have spaces, or I mean, they will go under them. So if we save them, that's the HTML. There you go, right? So since we're going to add, uh, we're trying to add a label onto these box where we'll be using the codes um, open bracket and then use the word label. And then we are going to use the word for, label for, since we're trying to label for a certain boxes, right? Use equals, and then there's this, uh, let's just say we are going to name the first box as first name, right? So that it will allow the user to type in their first name. And then first name, right in front, right before the first, this input here represents the first box, right? So that's why we're typing that in on top of uh the first input or the first box. Where are we now? First name, and then we are going to use open bracket backslash label. And then so since we have opened it up to label, it's just right that we have to close it out with label tagging. So let's try it and let's see if it's working. There you go. You see that there was a change. There's some changes, right? It created a label on the first column. Now let's try to follow that on the second box and the third box. So let's name this as middle name. And this one as last name. Let's see if there will be some changes. Just have to save that, and charan, it's now showing labels on the forms or the one liner box that we have created. So if you click that box, it automatically highlights that certain box. So you can just put your information right here. So I hope you were able to learn something on how to put label onto the form we have created. That's it. See you on the next video.